Helo a bore da I ddydd Mercher Meddylgar. Very warm welcome to Mindful Wednesday when we start trying to focus. And last week we focused on the hands. Well, this week we're going to focus on our feet. Now, as you can see, I am barefoot. I love to be barefoot, but you might be in your shoes doing it, you might be in your socks doing it. It doesn't really matter. But our feet are so important. We spend so much time on our feet. So just have a little think to yourself, how are they feeling? Are they feeling warm or are they feeling cold? Now then, I don't know about you, how are yours feeling? Warm. Mine, I suppose, are a little bit, they're not cold, but I'm aware that they're not as warm as they were. So now then, I want you to focus on what you can feel, right? So I can feel the carpet underneath my feet and I can really feel it under the 4 points. So what I'm going to encourage you to do, can you just lift your toes? Lift your toes, that's it. And then put your feet back down. We did that last week. And it just means that your feet are on the 4 ball points. So it gives you a good strong base. Now then, this is why we've got a chair with us. So you might be able to do it with a chair or without a chair. I'm going to use the chair. So what I'm going to ask you to do now is lift one foot. Okay. And I'm going to ask you to point your toes. Flex your foot. That's it. You're pushing out with your heel. Let's point your toes. Let's draw a circle. Draw a circle one way. Draw a circle the other way. And this is really good for your ankles. And now you're going to shake your foot like a jelly, as if you're trying to shake that sock off your foot. Okay, and if yours comes off, Mr. Davis will catch it. Okay, and then we're going to stop shaking and then we're going to pop it back down. Now, I don't know whether you saw it, I was leaning to the left, right? And really the whole point of this is that I'm trying to keep the weight in this other foot. So next time I try it with my other foot, so I'm going to move the chair and I'm going to put it this time because I'm going to go to the other foot. Now my friend here doesn't need a chair, she's doing ever so well. So I'm going to make sure I'm going to lift my foot. Okay, are we ready? Let's lift that foot. Now then, I've got a bit of a wobbly ankle here, so I'm glad I've got the chair. So you're going to point, that's it, point your toes. Now you're going to flex your feet or push out with your heels and point your toes and flex your feet. Now point again, and this time let's draw a circle. And draw a circle one way or the other. You can even write your name with your feet. Okay, now we're going to shake it. Let's shake it like a jelly. Shake it like a big, as if you've got a big sock and you want to get it off. That's it. And down we go. Oh, how's it feeling now? Can you feel a little bit different? Yeah, it does feel a little bit different. You probably find that one side isn't quite as strong as the other. So now then, let's lift those toes. Let's lift them up in the front. And now we're going to push forward and we're going to stand on tiptoes. Now, I find it a little bit easier sometimes when I push my legs together, particularly my thighs, and they are pushed in. And you're going to stretch up, stretch up, stretch up, and down you go very carefully. Now then, to finish off, we're going to do one lot of 5 jumps, and if you do it well, we'll do another lot of 5 jumps. So are we ready to jump? Ready. Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when we came down, come down flat on our feet. And once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you can tell, doing a little bit of exercise. My breath is sounding a little bit shorter, so I'm going to take some deep breaths. We're going to just take some deep breaths. Up we go and stretch up tall and down. And again. And back to our mountain pose. Take my t-shirt in, relax the shoulders, bring your hands to prayer position, bow the head. Namaste. Hwyl fawr am y tro.